But how many shots? That's switch for decoration. You ain't tryna go catch no headshot.
Cruise for real. Just watching these niggas drive.
This nigga Anthony cannot drive, bro.
I'm saying what's wrong with you?
No, he's driving.
Oh, he's just being careful. There's other shit going on. You okay?
Hey, back with y'all when we on like an open road or something.
They don't know how to pass us some Kobe shit. Should've listened, my mama always told me this. I was only 13 when she told me this. Why should you fuck with it? Never ever.
Should I cut the music off when you recording?
Even if you feel like you really love her, don't never tell a bitch that you really love her. Cause that's when she gon' make you feel like you nothing. And that's when you gon' start to feel like you bugging. I wish I would've never told you what's up. And I wish I never even told you for love. Got me saying what's wrong with you. I remember being in the hall with you. Everything was always on the stall with you. Girl, I even
I still think about you. I still think I was sick. I was fucking out my right. Two BMWs, Q50 and a Genesis. Nice little cruise to the meet. Ugly ass nigga. Her ass look like a fat biscuit. Damn, we in traffic. Start calling the police on these niggas for being too slow. I don't get why there's traffic. Shouldn't be a thing. Literally shouldn't be a thing. They about to go stupid in this tunnel.
Go neutral and start going crazy.
Lazy. Just especially this nigga. I know he gonna go crazy. What's his name?
Wyatt.
Wyatt? Yeah, Wyatt gonna go stupid.
About to go retarded.
Oh yeah, for sure. And it's traffic. It's the perfect time they can do it. Side of vlog, man. No cat. Put it on my back street. No cat. Snap back. Double back. Double take.
Double back, double take.
Break the bitch out. Eat her like steak. Yeah, I eat roast beef pussy. I mean pussy. I eat roast beef pussy. Think it tastes good. Liquor in her back, bitch. The liquor tastes good. Yeah. I'm getting strangled. I'm gonna let y'all hear these pops. Shit crazy. Literally a movie right now. Literally a movie right now. This shit. Motherfucker got pop, 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 gunshots in the tunnel. Cops gonna pull you over. It's crazy that one cop is holding up this whole fucking line. Like, niggas be pulling over niggas for no reason, bro. No reason. Yep, just get up in there. That's supposed to be done.
Let's get up in there. It's about to be a fucking show. It's about.
I don't know why we got Ice Spice in the car.
Oh my god. You thought I was feeling you?
That nigga, nigga eat it.
These niggas crashed.
These niggas crashed. My fault, OG.
Y'all suck.
Damn.
Hey, you can't
Yeah.
park
Niggas can't drive.
That shit was uncorny. I'm gonna hit y'all when we get close to meet, man. Just stay in tune. Yo, that
Telling y'all this shit.
bitch cutting up in traffic.
You ain't never really sold dope if you don't know what you're trying.
Someone popping that bitch. That's about the shot. Wait, you got another one fly by.
Crazy. They flying. They flying. They flying.
Oh yeah.
We got lost in the sauce. We gotta go to the red. Bro, he's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. Jose's got it. Jose's got it. My nigga got it. My nigga got it.
That nigga got it.
My nigga got
Yeah,
it.
he got it.
We're not worried about that.
He got it.
Everybody gonna make it.
He got it. He got it. Niggas be coming up for real. Here, bro. Scatty. Oh, Scatty, Miss Scatty. Got the shit on lock, boy. We at the meet. I gotta get air and shit. This.
Damn, Jesus Christ. Damn, bro. You have
I
to
gotta-
play your music bumping while you're driving through to look cool.
What's this shit? That's that Scatty
Nah,
guy.
we gotta find our boys. That's
this?
Anthony.
Oh, what that he got? What he got? He got. Scat. That's vet. I think Jasper here.
You're finna park where?
Hey, find Jasper.
Alright, I'm gonna park with my boys in. Yo! He's parking over here somewhere.
Oh shit, there go Jasper.
Over there? Alright, meet over there.
What's good with you?
What's good? Where you parked at?
I'm over there.
Is there open spots?
Not really. You can park behind me.
We need like 3 spots, like 3 deep.
Go over there. Anthony
there?
pulled in.
Yo! Wyatt!
Anthony just pulled in?
Tell Jose go this way.
It's clean. This shit hard. This shit low key hard. They got their categories, you feel me? Look at those. Some BMWs. The G. The G. Hellcat, don't play. Hellcat. Oh my god. Hellcat, don't play. Hellcat, don't play. Hellcat, don't play. You hear me? Hellcat, don't play. Hellcat, take off on y'all dumb ass niggas, slow assholes. Huh? Niggas got blankets outside and shit.
No, they still went over that way with their dumb ass.
D-Bash Scott. I'm not even gonna show y'all. Y'all seen already too many fucking Scats out here, man. Shit hard though. Rio. What y'all know about that Rio?
Right here is pretty good. We spin back around. Oh, there they are over there.
Shit hard. That's the Q60 right there. Oh my god. That's Q60. Q60, boy. That's Q60.
That's good.
That's good.
Where y'all parking, bro?
Right here.
This spot's low key. I gotta turn around though.
Yeah. I'm gonna hit y'all for I'll show y'all the cars and I'll hop outside. It's cold. It's cold. They about to line it up. They look like they about to line it up. Damn big ass truck. I missed the taco, not gonna lie.
They're going. Jose got his ass. Jose got his ass.
He got his ass. He got his ass. Got his ass.
Oh my god.
Damn, I know that nigga says, and this bitch in the car with him. And this bitch in the car with him. And this bitch in the car with him. That's crazy. I'll never take that disrespect. I'll never. And his dog.
That's his fucking baby
Mama. And his dog. Damn, that's crazy. I'll never take that disrespect, bro. I'll never take that. Nah,
I knew Jose had his ass, bro.
bro, sometimes you don't even gotta race folks, bro. Because they'll literally embarrass your ass. Like,
Sometimes you just gotta just cruise.
cruise, my nigga. Just let it be.
I got a full car right now. I ain't even trying niggas. Bro.
Like, bro, those niggas are,
I don't know how to fucking go. Me either. That shit made me look retarded as fuck. Cause bitch, I don't know how to stand with the golf club and that shit. So retarded.
Tell the scat packs to bring it out now. Where the track's at, bitch, you coming hot now. Ooh.
I hate bowling, bro.
Oh, shit.
The only type of bowling I like is if I'm drunk. The only type of anything I like is if I'm drunk.
Not gonna lock out.
You ever seen a nigga riding on his jury? You ever seen a head wrap tied to a fully skinny nigga? But when I get there, bitch, I'm a bully. Preparing for my actions. If I'm black, nigga, I'm cooking. Nigga disrespect me, put my last on me. Put a little slime on your ass, have a blast on me. I got fake trust issues, I put my past on it. I put food in niggas' stomach, but I won't brag on it. If he jump back on the ground, we gotta spin the block.
Don't do it too much. I just want to hear the wine. We got the looks. It want to push in there, bro. It wants to push. They got us fucked up. They're literally on some bullshit. Damn! They even got more pulling up.
Bro,
But
that
what?
was like the fucking blessing.
They be on some
That was the
bullshit.
most entertaining part.
Everybody gone. They be on some bullshit, bro. Watch out, Will. Watch out, Will. Yeah.
Everybody, please put your seatbelts on, bro.
We can go back to that.
We're going to your house, yeah.
You mind unlocking your window so I can get some videos?
It should be unlocked, bro. Oh, here it is.
Cutting up now. Hey, it's cutting up now. Well, you can't wait till you get that exhaust, huh?
Cannot wait, bro.
That shit gonna sound crazy. Oh my God. I need to get this checked. Oh yeah. That Lex is crazy. That Lex is crazy. Bro just turned into the lane like a fucking idiot. Bro just turned into the lane like a fucking idiot.
Say, like I said, bro, we have God in us, bro. And that doesn't mean that I can be reckless, but like, bro.
It wasn't even your fault.
That was not my fault.
That was bro turning into the lane.
He saw what we were doing.
Literally.